When it rains here in Cambodia, it really rains. Usually, even in the rainy season, it lasts only about an hour each day, leaving the rest of the day bright and sunny. But these last few weeks, it's been raining for days on end, 18 hours to 20 hours a day, and not just locally. It's been raining in China, Laos, Thailand, and Vietnam, all of which drain into the Mekong River. And at the bottom of the Mekong River is Cambodia. Cambodia usually benefits from this cycle, which brings new soil and moisture to rice crops each year. But I think this is a bit much. And from what we've heard, people are dying and rice crops are getting destroyed, and things just don't look very good. My wife Lisa and I are both from Seattle, so we're used to rain, but not this. We'd been up at Angkor Wat in Siem Reap for the Cambodian holiday Pachum Bun, and had barely made it back to Phnom Penh because of the flooding up there in Siem Reap. Now we were on the bus heading home to Pre Vang, about 100 kilometers east of Phnom Penh, wondering what we'd find because we'd gotten a phone call that said that our house was flooded. Well, we're headed on the bus back to Pre Vang to see how much of our house is underwater, and I have no idea what to expect. But maybe we'll get some views along the way. What's going on with all this flooding in Cambodia? So we're at the MCC office in Pre Vang, and it's starting to rain here too. And we're just going to head out and see how our house is doing. See if we can get in or not. Oh. What does it look like to you?
Well, it looks to me like the level of the water is the level of the road. And so anything below the level of the road, which would be our house, is below water.
Our house is back there.
So are we going to walk down there?
Are you brave enough to walk down there?
I'm brave enough to walk down there. I can do that.
Now this is what I call real MCC roughing it, huh? No, don't drop the keys. And I gotta not think about snakes.
No, you remember the poisonous ones swim on top.
Oh, great. There are poisonous ones? Well, it looks like our part is okay, but boy, their part is really flooded.
Yeah.
Well, boy, our landlord's place is pretty swamped. This is the water running all the way through down under.
My goodness.
I don't know. I think we should stay here. What do you think?
I'd much rather stay here.
Seems a lot better than sleeping in the office.
We're just going to have to carry our stuff through the flood, but I can do that.
I'm already wet, so, there seems to be water. We can take a shower maybe.
And we have power. How we have electricity right now in this flood, I'm not sure, but it's a good thing we do.
Well, we're better off than a lot of the neighbors, so. I wonder how our landlords are doing.
No.
Okay.
Let's go get our stuff.
Nice things floating in the water. That's dog food.
Yeah.